Today, Crazy Northern plays. We are going to be playing Feather Family. Feather Family. But anyways, let's get right into it. Dun, 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 dun. Crazy Northern. So let's get right into it. So today we will be playing as the Phoenix, the Phoenix. Anyways, I think telling the chat I've already been playing. So let's play the Hatchling. Let's do a Mystic / Black. Look, we're loading. I'll just do a few changes, so meet you back in real quick. Okay, so I've made a few changes, and 3, 2, 1, dun. Okay. Okay, wait a sec, I'll change it, don't worry. Okay, I did it, and anyways, let's teleport now. So I'll just go to my roleplay one, and let's start this video, should we? So we'll start off with Mama. Okay. And now we'll just put everywhere. Okay, so I've made them read my description. Yeah. So they just read it and they said, whoa, were you on video? And hashtag, I'll go tell them my thing. Go check out that Crazy Northern. Go check out hashtag Crazy Northern. Anyway, now let's go. Okay. And now I'm just gonna spitfire everywhere. Who cares? I like to run. I like to look at this. But anyways, who see me as a parkour? Wait. No, I'm not gonna let you on me. Parkour pro! Parkour! I think I don't think I can do this, but parkour folk always do this. Unless, no, I'm not really a parkour pro. Parkour pro! We are the parkours. We are the parkours of a pool. And I'm just gonna put love you. I'm just gonna put love you, mama. I've just spit it everywhere. And that's half the time I don't even notice you guys are there. So sorry about that flower. We are running. We are hunting, guys. Okay, what's this? We take it off. Okay, let's say raw. Okay, now let's go hunting. Let's go. Yeah, but we don't care about getting wet, do we? Okay, don't tell me what to do. And I don't like football as much as basketball, okay? One of them very weird people. My mum's a basketball liker, my dad's a football liker. By the way, we got Fulham for some reason, he just forced me. I didn't ask for any tickets. Oh, I see something. Let's go, Mama. Take us somewhere. Fly. Fly. We are flying. Very much. Yeah. Oh my god, I got wet. That's like fire in the hole. Okay, that's wet. Okay. Who like this flying? At the end of the video, I'll do another intro / end. And yay! We're here. Okay, anyways, let's run. Choo choo. Okay, why am I making a train sound? Well, put a thumbs up if you like this video, please. And most of you watching, please subscribe so we can beat my friend in subscribers. Okay, what was that sound? Seriously. Let's just run. Get me out, get me out, get me out. I don't like water. Okay, let's go look. Okay, by the way, I hope you like how I did my name. Let's go look. A bonky. Okay, you read it. Yeah, you read it. I got injured. Wait, why are we leaving? I got injured. Okay, now we're just gonna yeah, I have about 1 million different skins. One of them's a leaf one. Beep. Okay, so now we are officially the leaf of the E. Okay, let's teleport to here. I understand we're hollow and nobody likes being hollow. Let's run up. Speed, speed, speed. You know what you got to do. Speed, speed, speed. And now it's time for another one of our daily jokes that the last time I did it, it was in our Rainbow Friends video. So today we are doing another one. Okay. How did the tree get onto the internet? It logged on. Ha 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 ha. Isn't that so funny, guys? Do you agree with me? But anyway, yep. Let's go down. Let's change our name to Void. Okay, let's put our name of craziest. The craziest crazy Neuven. Okay. Here. Okay, now it's gonna put this. But now they don't know that. Okay. So this video is over. This. Okay. Tomorrow there's gonna be a Dictator's No Peace. There's gonna be a Dictator's No Peace playthrough, and each video is gonna be around 20 minutes. So today I'll try making this one around 20 minutes as well, just to show you the thing of 20 minutes, which that means that we only have 7 minutes left. But anyway, let's just go take this guy somewhere. You're welcome. At least you know the manners of actual manners. Okay. Now let's do the montage of the yay. The why. Yay. Okay, now you run away and shoot our heel thing everywhere. Okay, wait. Okay. And now we go into a random cave. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm pretty sure I see something behind me. But anyways, let's go. Let me look for more beautiful place. I mean, more spaced out. Yeah, this definitely more spaced out. Okay. Now let's tell Mama to teleport me. Yeah, don't ask me why I said it like that. It's because of baby. Moi, TP to me. Moi. Now let's do the exact same. Moi, TP to we. Moi, TP to we. Okay. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Huh. Now let's just say follow. Follow. How do you say that, babe? Big crystal. Big crystal. Big crystal. Big crystal. Mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. What the heck am I saying? Mwah, mwah. Is what I sweat wet. I'm just gonna surprise them. More. I'm just gonna stand here like morphing whoever. More. Okay, now let's hear this. I said don't worry about me. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay, now let's do something. Okay, now let's do this. No, load this. Thank God I didn't press it. Tank EOD. This one, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's. hit by lightning. I'm voice. I am voice. Oh, wait, where's the thing? I can't pause this. Oh, thank God it's back, finally. Stupid piece of thing. Nah! Never run again. Okay, no, let's just eat these berries. They're mine. Okay, anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me just say bye. I'm going to upload the video now, so bye. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go and then I'll do the goodbye intro. Crazy Northern! Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can beat my best friend in subscribe. So bye bye.